Meaning of build. Build is a verb meaning to construct or create something, usually by putting parts together. As a noun, it can also refer to someone's body shape or structure. 10 daily use example sentences. As a verb. 1. They are building a new house. 2. I want to build a strong career. 3. He built a table from wood. 4. Let's build good habits. 5. She is building a team for the project. As a noun. 6. He has a strong build. 7. She's of slim build. 8. The athlete had a muscular build. 9. His build is perfect for running. 10. That model has a lightweight build.